I think that the evolution that it's the great benefit of age. It's the great benefit of getting older, because with this kind of work, you repeat it and repeat it, repeat it. It's never repetition. Mm-hmm. It's the tune is the same, but the content of the song changes all the time. Mm-hmm. And what it's doing is it's the kind of work it is. It's certainly, and I think I can speak for both of us, but I'll speak for myself. It's working on me all the time, and it's very honest work. Mm-hmm. And what it's doing is changing your mental habits and constantly challenging the status quo of a habitual mindset. Mm-hmm. And so, as I have done that over the years and over the decades and so on, I think as a teacher, I've just become more and more, and this is an overused word these days, present. Mm-hmm. And not that I am present. Mm-hmm. Absolutely the opposite. I'm much more messy and at ease in the classroom, but I know that but I think what I'm doing is, I think I've stripped away a lot of stuff that we all have to deal with and go through in our lives, to allow them, if this term is still valid, the mirror neurons actually to function. So my empathy is more naturally there. Uh-huh. And therefore my teaching has more immediate effect than, almost with each workshop that I teach, I would say, but certainly year after year, I would say that something more happens in response quicker and that's just to do with the clearing.